Hey, good afternoon, Andy Farmer, MarineMax Wrightsville Beach here. I want to do a video walkthrough on this Sea Ray 190 SLX. Boat is a year model 2022. Most of these boats, or a lot of these boats, come with the 115 engine. This has the 150. It has a nice tow bar, bim top, boots on it in good shape. Love this aft sun pad that lifts up, and you've got a ton of storage. You can see kind of MarineMax Coast Guard safety kit in there, flares over there, throat cushions, cleaning bucket, life jackets, storage over there. This just flips down, a nice sun pad for lounging. Cushions are in good shape. Flip up, cooler insulated below. Got 2 batteries with a selector switch in that. Spin around, you got 2 lounge seats, flip up bolsters, sea deck on the cockpit, or excuse me, on the platform and entry into the boat. And then you got snap-in vinyl here. Storage for an anchor. Do have 2 anchors that are going with the boat. They're currently stored in the in-deck storage. Okay, owner's manuals here, 2 keys that are going with the boat, glove box over here. Got the Simrad display up here, 52.1 hours. Fusion stereo. Storage underneath here. Got a couple fenders, dock lines to go in with the boat. Boat's sitting on a trailer that's going with it. Flipped on the LED lighting. See here. Yeah, it's hard to tell, but you got some nice LED lighting on this one. That is your sun pad. Those filler boards go in, and then this cushion slides in here, and then this cushion goes in here. Turn this area into a sun pad. Cushions are in good shape. Boat has a mooring cover that goes into these snaps. Got just a little bit of dust from sitting out here in our yard, but snap right into those snaps and keep the elements off. See the light. Little LED lights a little better there in the shade, but nice boat, guys. Low hours. Balance of the manufacturer warranty is going to transfer on this one. Sitting on a trailer. If you're looking for a great boat at a used boat price, give us a call. MarineMax Wrightsville Beach, 910-264-4818. Thanks.